You know her. You love her. Juliana Palermo. And now, the other round girl this evening, Diana Zubiri. This fight would never have been possible.
Akong lahat para manalo bro. Hindi ako nanalo. Tumapla lang.
113, a three-way split. The bout is a draw.
Umawit ka, paabutin mo sa langit ang tamis ng sandaling ibinigay.
Super Bantamweight champion and the recognized People's Featherweight champion of the world, Manny Diaz.
Akong lahat para manalo bro.
Title Eliminator. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, he came in at a trim 124 pounds with a record of 44 victories, 7 defeats, and 1 draw, with 23 victories coming by way of knockout. He has won 29 of his last 30 fights. 22 among them were Filipino victims, most of them by knockout. The former Pan Asia Boxing Association Super Bantamweight Champion, the former WBF Bantamweight Champion, a former IBF International Bantamweight Champion, the reigning IBF Pan Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion, and now the number 6 ranked IBF featherweight contender from Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand, Fasan 3K Battery. Fasan. his opponent. Across the ring, fighting out the red corner, he came in at 125 pounds. Last November 15th, he annihilated the legendary Mexican Marco Antonio Barrera. On May, he bloodied and battered WBA IBF champion Juan Manuel Marquez, making him kiss the canvas 3 times. The former OPBF flyweight champion, the former WBC flyweight champion, the former WBC International Super Bantamweight champion, the former IBF Super Bantamweight champion, the Ring Magazine Featherweight Champion of the World, the People's Featherweight Champion of the World, ranked number 3 featherweight world contender by the IBF. From General Santos City in Mindanao, ladies and gentlemen, a hero of our time, the Philippines' national treasure, Merciless Manny Pacquiao.
At sa wakas, magsisimula na ang matagal nating iniinay si Manny Pacquiao, tabas na tabas ang katawan. At kapansin-pansin ang bagong tattoo sa kanyang kaliwang balikat. Ito yata yung batang Red Bull na tattoo.
At saka nasa patalon din yan, no? Red Bull, of course, is one of the sponsors of Manny Pacquiao sa laban na to.
I have given you your instructions.
Nakatattoo. Alam mo, sa Amerika ginagawa yan, nilalagay nila yung WW something sa likod, ano? But this one, they took it a step further. And now si Manny Pacquiao has that Red Bull tattoo on his left.
Third man in the ring, napakinggan natin si Ferdy Estrella. Siya po isang 53-year-old referee with 8 World Championship fights under his belt as a referee.
Ito yung tail of the tape natin. Makikita natin ang age. Lamang itong si Manny Pacquiao sa kabataan at yung height, lamang si Manny, no? Makikita nyo dyan yung distinct 2.5 inches. Dito sa reach na ito, again, ang nasukat ho dito ay pamula sa dulo ng daliri hanggang sa balikat. Pero makikita nyo ang advantage. Ito, kapit mga kapatid. This might be quick.
Pareho silang kaliwete. So, neither will have an advantage of being a southpaw sa laban na to.
Pareho sila, yes. Pareho silang fighting out of the yung southpaw stance. Ito si Manny Pacquiao. Pati depensa ni Manny Pacquiao, nakikita natin kinito dito. Nakatago, no? Hindi niya alam kung ano itong opponent niya na ito. Again, trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly connecting.
Mukhang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has
Shooting
always
off his
been.
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao just
And look-
before this fight. Sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking
Yung
kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy Roach. Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, ano? But Manny, nainis
Ito.
yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Eto na.
And Pasong
Manny
Pirang
Pacquiao
gets
on the
tagged
attack.
by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam kung ano sinusuntok niya.
Well, parang groggy na ito si Pasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his bombs. Pero si Pasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tama yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjajab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay doon sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na to with 1:25 to go. Eto, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Ferdy Estrella calls it wisely, it's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Pirang lost his footing pag-atake nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Manny now, again, trying to bounce, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left-right.
Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, baka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil
Oo.
tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Etong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round
Well,
number
Chino,
1.
ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Finito.
At ito,
Maagang
tinutugbog niya si
30-second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin in Pasang. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time. And what a round. But yung fight plan ni Pasang, parang nakikita na natin, no? Chino, nung first round, halos hindi sumuntok si Pasang. He was fighting defensively. Ang plano ni Pasang, pagurin niya si Manny Pacquiao. Yamo si Manny ang sumuntok in the first few rounds. And then Pasang, ang plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban.
Ito nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward. Sumusugod siya. Thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by coach, rather by itong si Ferdy Estrella, ang ating pong referee. Working the corner of Manny Pacquiao is Freddy Roach and excellent cutman na si Lenny De Jesus.
That's right.
This Solar Sports Special is
Few rounds, and then Pasang, ang plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban.
Ito nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward. Sumusugod siya. Thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by coach, rather by itong si Ferdy Estrella, ang ating pong referee. Working the corner of Manny Pacquiao is Freddy Roach and excellent cutman na si Lenny De Jesus.
That's right. Si Lenny De Jesus is a Puerto Rican. Nanggaling siya from New York where he operates a gym, yung Juan Laporte Boxing Gym. He's been involved in boxing for 41 years
Round
as a
number
fighter and as a trainer. Okay, ito na. Maganda rin ang depensa ni Pasang. Ha? A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Pasang. Ito si Pasang now also showing a jab.
Tandaan niyo, sinabi ni nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery, na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Pasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Pasang.
Sa noong tinamaan kinito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa Taguig. Ito po si Pasong 3K Battery. The first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Sino?
be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan po kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Pasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh.
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman
Sa
kung
dami
paano
ng suntok.
susuntok.
Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa rin depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Yan po si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bumagsak si Pasang, but Pasang is still standing. He's still fighting back. Oh!
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Pasang. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Pasang 3K Battery.
Short of toying around with this guy, going to the midsection and going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his.
Alam mo,
He goes to the body. Grabe ang variety, Kinito.
You have to give it to Pasang, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na tinanggap niya from Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao again working out that right of his, trying with that right looping shot. They're trying to master yung right cross, Kinito. This is round number 2.
Now, nakita din natin yung mga suntok ni Manny. Hindi lang sa mukha, kundi sa tagiliran din, no? The side of the body.
10-second warning.
Pasang looks like he's going to survive this second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And end of the second round. And we might say na ito si Pasong Pirang, whether he's lucky to have survived the second round or whether he is truly a durable fighter, Kinito.
This Solar Sports Special is presented to you by
This is the
Second round
knockout scored.
highlights.
Tama yung kanan, tumama.
Right hand, yes. That was the right hand.
Again, the right to
And
the forehead,
oh.
Kinito. And that staggered and sent ito pong si Pasong Pirang. Pero combination niya, makikita nyo ulit, yung jab, which looks like more of a straight. And then, ayun,
Yung tumama
narinig,
yung left, yes.
nayanig.
Pero yung nakapag-set up doon, yung dalawang kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. That is what he's been working at. Yung kanyang kanan. He wants to be a two-fisted fighter in preparation for Marquez, Morales, and Barrera. But first,
He must
ito,
hurdle.
he's got to be able to take care of Fasang
Pasong
3K battery.
Ito, back dito sa ating bout. Round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Pasong Pirang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao nails him with the left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Got nailed, Kinito.
Well, he got rocked that time.
Pero matibay, Kinito. Nakikita ko. Nasasalo niya yung mga suntok. Now, whether he's able to withstand the punishment.
Oo, Chino, para pinasusuntok
Ayun na
niya
naman.
lang si Manny. But here is Fasang absorbing a lot of punishment.
And Manny Pacquiao getting a good workout dito sa first 2 rounds.
Oh, talaga. At sabi ni Manny, Olika, suntukin mo ako. Para makatikim din ako, sabi niya.
Saka kanina kagulat-gulat, Kinito. Nakita ko si Manny na doon sa pre-fight tradition, yung tradition na pre-fight, no? Nakangiti. Nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao.
Very
May
loose siya.
ngiti
He was very loose before this fight. Very, very confident. At ito, tinatamaan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Very slippery din ito si Fasang. Magalaw.
Yung pina-practice niya, no? Right straight, tingnan mo. Titignan natin maigi, no? Yung left, or rather that right hand that they're trying to work at. Ito pong corner ni Manny Pacquiao, led by, of course, Coach Freddie Rhodes.
Pasundot-sundot lang
Pero
si
parang
Fasang.
straight na siya, no? Kasi gusto nila, maturuan ito si Manny Pacquiao ng parang style ni Larry Holmes na yung kanan na jab, parang straight na halos.
Exactly. Yan parang nakikita natin. No? Yung jab ni Manny Pacquiao na kanan, parang panakaut na din yun eh. It has a lot of power. Hindi lang pag-setup, no? Although he could also be a setup for his left hand or yung combination right, left, right. Eto, bumabalik si Fasang. Again, yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Manny should not be frustrated na hindi pa niya napapatulog itong kalaban niya, no?
Grabe yung
Malayo pa
kanan,
to. It's a 12-rounder. Pero matibay itong Fasan. He has been able to take a lot of those punches. He went down once in round number 2.
Trying that right upper ngayon. But Manny gets tagged with that left by Pasong Pirang. Both fighters again fighting out of the southpaw stance. No, ayun, tumama si Manny Pacquiao with that left lead.
Overhand left. Well, one thing we have to also watch is baka naman masunog ito si Manny, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na binibitawan niya sa laban na ito. He's got to pace himself. Scheduled for 12 ito. Matibay ang kanyang kalaban.
Pero sinabi kanina, Kinito, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Freddie Rhodes, if we have to go 12, then so be it. Ano?
Oo.
Yan ang sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny dahil maraming nagdududa sa kondisyon itong si Manny Pacquiao. But Coach Freddie Rhodes said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Meron lang kong konting, nako, ito na, under 5 seconds at hilong-hilo si Pasong Pirang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky. Pero
He went down.
bibilangan
He
yan,
went
bibilangan
down.
yan.
Yes, tama yun.
Walang fighter to be saved after the bell and another knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao.
Pero
as the
dapat-
third round ended.
Dapat si referee Estrella continue the count. You have to continue the count. Although he got up, may mandatory 8 count yun. Bumagsak.
this so
Ang hindi natatagal ito. Yung hindi ko pa nakikita, yung sustained attack ni Manny Pacquiao sa katawan. It's been all head so far. At wala pa tayong nakikitang assault by Manny Pacquiao sa katawan ni Fasan 3K battery.
Saka pansin mo yung kaliwa niya, bihira niyang binibitawan. Pag napadikit lang siya, but it's all been the right doing the work. Sabi kasi ni Manny Pacquiao kanina, abangan niyo yung kanan ko. And really, that right, he is trying to work at that so hard. At ito po, inuulit mo namin in preparation for that big one. On February 26, he is set to meet Manuel Marquez in a rematch, but he has first to finish off this assignment of his. Round number 3, or
Okay.
round number 4.
Nakita natin yung Chino, no? Yung right hand ni Manny turned the legs ni Fasan robbery. Towards the end of that round, bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was, kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be safe after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung anong gusto niya. Manny has gotten his range but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang defense ni Manny at this point, ha? Kung meron pang ibubugay ito si Fasan, dapat ipakita niya ngayon because here's an opportunity for him. Manny's fighting very loose, very confident. Napabagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Meron nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang. Again,
I don't think so.
hindi po uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga ng mga kanong dito,
Oh yes! One punch! The left hand!
The left hand.
Left hand!
That left upper kinito.
Parang upper yun.
It's an upper left
Woo!
hand. That nailed. This is the 3rd knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Fasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Fasan in this round.
Ito na
Ito na
naman.
naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Finito.
It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Win-workout lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
Ginamit ang kaliwa. Pumunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Anong
At
kailangan
hindi
niya?
malaman ni Fasan kung nasaan siya. Hindi niya malaman. At hindi niya nakita kung saan ang galing yung suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. What a sensational knockout victory.
And listen to that crowd, Kinito.
Manny Pacquiao, 4 rounds. Knockout victory. At ito na, ang statement ni Manny Pacquiao. Juan Manuel Marquez, maghanda ka na.
Ayan ang mami ni Manny.
Yes.
Kinito.
Ang mami niya si
Si
Jonisha.
Aling Junisa. We rarely see her.
Nandirito.
Ito ang rare appearance ni,
Yes.
ni Mami Manny.
Well, si Manny Pacquiao is the second of 4 children. Ito,
Ang
panoorin natin.
ganda Kinito nung
Kaliwa.
tinago niya ng kanan and then the upper of that left that sent itong Pasong Pirang kissing the canvas.
At ito na naman.
Ito na
Ito.
naman. Grabe, ang ganda Kinito. Nakatago
Parang
sa kanan.
uppercut na cross na hindi mo maintindihan, but it was a left hand that brought Fasan down. 2 beses siyang bumagsak dito sa ating 4th round. Ito, panurin ulit natin. One of the knockdowns scored here by Manny Pacquiao.
Tingnan mo, pepekayin niya ng kanan.
Ito yung kanan.
Tapos ito na, pag nakita niya magtatago sa kanan, uli, ayan, napepeke ng kanan. And look at that
Yun.
left. Ang ganda ng timing Kinito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung 2 paa, umangat. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to show
Grabe
you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda
At saka
nun.
yung power. Yung power. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. And you rarely see that in a boxing fight. Not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Mamaya
Yan
ho,
ang power.
babalikan natin and we will try to dissect yung form ni Manny Pacquiao that floored Pasong Pirang in the 4th round of this scheduled 412. Ang yanig sa tagig, naging banig sa tagig. Mga kaibigan, magbabalik po ang ating Solar Sports Special dito
This
natin doon sa bagyong nagdaan. Itong mga ganitong victory, ito nagagalvanize ito yung pagiging Pilipino natin. Maraming nagsasabi, nagdududa sa ating pagka-Pilipino, pero pag nakikita mong isang tunay na Pilipino katulad ni Manny Pacquiao, napakasarap kinito. Look at that textbook form uppercut. His full weight was there. Nakikita yan sa kanya pong pagde-deliver niyan. Nagsimula sa paa, papunta sa bewang, papunta sa balikat, and not spell the difference ito sa laban. Yan, pag ninyo paano nyo ikakakyan, ha?
Talagang hinanat ni
Ayun, ang ganda ng
Manny Pacquiao yung opening at yun, no, ito yung sinabi natin kanina, no, both feet out of the canvas.
Saka pag bagsak pikit.
At at bihirang-bihirang mangyari yan sa boxing, not unless talagang napakalakas na boxing.
Huli ko nakita yon, tama ka kanina. Huli ko nakita yan ay sa laban ni Mike Tyson against Andrew Golota.
Oo.
Yung pinaangat niya, itong si Golota.
Meron din nangyari yung Joe Frazier at saka si George Foreman yata yun.
Umangat din.
Umangat din si Joe Frazier.
Joe Frazier. So for the record, yan po ang kung
May kabagalan siya, pero inaamin ko may kabagalan siya. Hindi naman natin pwedeng buhatin yung upuan niya. So, medyo may kabagalan siya, pero matapang, may lakas din. Oo.
Okay, Manny, kanina, for the first time, ito, makikita mo yung una mong patama, no?
Oo.
Tapos yan, susunod mo, ito, nung tumama ka rito, alam mo na darating na yung pagtatapos ito.
Oo. Parang sabi ko, wala na.
Alam mo na, no? Nung bumagsak ng isa, pero kanina, nung tinama mo sa noo ng kanan mo, narindi na rin eh.
Oo.
Nakontento ka na ba na tumama yung kanan mo, narindi mo siya doon sa kanan na yun? Tinama mo sa noo, nakita ko
Hindi,
yung unang bagsak eh.
Nung bumagsak siya, nung hindi pa tinamaan yung talagang napakalakas, tiningnan ko yung corner niya, sabi ko, ayaw na ba?
Ah,